So I'm going to go very slowly. All right, I will go slow. So step number 1, Angelike. This is what you do. I want you to come from fret number 8, 9, 9, 11, 11, 13, and then go to 13, 14. Go to fret number 13, 14. All right, you're there. So go back to fret number 11, 13 first. So you're there. I want you to pick these two notes like this. How many picks are those? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can count them on your own. So after doing that, I want you to go to fret number 13, 14 and just pick it. So you have okay. After that, I want you to play string number 2, fret number 14. All right, string number 2, fret number 14, and then string number 2, fret number 13, string number 3, fret number 15. So after picking string number 2, fret number 14, pick again string number 2, fret number 13, pick string number 3, fret number 15, and then pick string number 3, fret number 13, and then pick string number 2. So you have finish with string number 3, fret number 15. We are there. All right, so we are here, guys. We've learned we are there. So just slide this note, slide G note, start sliding from G to A sharp, string number 3, string number 3, fret number 12, string number 3, fret number 13. So you have let's continue. Go back and play the 3rd string, fret number 12, the G note, and then I want you to skip to fret number 15. Skip to fret number 15, 3rd string, and then play 16th fret, 2nd string. All right, E B note. So where is it? We are there. So we have we are there. Let us continue. After doing all this, okay, just come and do it like this. String number 2, and then string. Just repeat what you did in the first step. Just repeat this. Do this. That is what you did in the first step. So repeat it again. Okay? Now, the new thing here is that you do play string number 3. String number 3, 12th fret, G note. String number 3, 13th fret, A sharp note. Alright. So, and then I want you to play the F note, fret number 15, 4th string. That is without technique. So you have play again. After playing, play. And then play E B note, fret number 13. And then I want you now to skip to, just jump to the next step, which is our progression. Remember that progression. So you have have you have so that is what you have. We are there. Are we together? So let us continue.